Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today in this video I'm gonna show how to enable new Windows Update option in Windows 11, build 25314. If you're new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe. And now, let's begin. Now, download the Vive tool from the link given in the description. After the file is downloaded, extract it to the following path. After extracting the file, run command prompt as administrator and execute the following command. After executing the commands, restart your PC in order to see the change. After restarting the PC, you'll have the new Windows Update option, under Settings, Windows Update. This is an easy setting for choosing whether you want to get the latest updates as soon as they're ready. Based on the feature name, this is a quick toggle for getting moments, and other C or D releases. So, that was it. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, just comment down below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day ahead.